And this week we're going to talk about the HCP. Now, this is not necessarily a term, but what it actually stands for. So what does HCP stand for, Mike?
Hoof Care Professionals.
And what is a hoof care professional?
Well,
and how do you get that title?
How do you get that title?
Can I be a hoof care specialist?
Sure you can.
All right.
Sure you can. No, that kind of is pretty broad. It covers, from farriers who are putting on metal to people who are not putting on shoes. All people are doing, good trims and keeping feet healthy on the barefoot horses to, somebody doing performance horses to somebody that's been through Doc Redden's advanced podiatry training to all, but it's hoof care professional who's working on the horse's feet. And
does it refer to professional? I don't mean to use that term. Does it refer to farriers only? Only farriers is an HCP, or is it anyone? Like if I'm a veterinarian and I'm working on feet, can that person be?
Well, there are veterinarians that have been through Doc Redden's advanced podiatry, and there are veterinarians who are also farriers,
like Sammy,
like Sammy, like Sammy, and it covers that. And when I was working with Dr. Mansman, his clinic was built on podiatry. He was not working on the feet. Kurt and myself were, and other people who worked in and out of the clinic were working on actually working on feet. So, but I would put him. He did a lot to help a lot of horses' feet problems, and there are vet clinics that specialize in feet. So, I mean, you could take it there. And
so are all farriers hoof care professionals, and all vets? How do I need to word this? So
it depends on what your focus is with vets. I mean, some vets do colic, some vets are focused more in certain areas. It would be a specialty deal for a vet to focus on podiatry.
So I guess where I'm saying is all farriers are hoof care professionals, but not all vets are hoof care professionals.
Right.
Okay, that's where I was kind of leaning it.
I would kind of go that way in my mind, but that's where my mind goes. You know. But it used to be, well, somebody who trims is a barefoot farrier, and farrier came from the word, goes back to Ferris, as in
the wheel.
Ferris wheel.